Hola, hoy vamos a estudiar los complementos directos en español, direct object pronouns, which on its own probably doesn't mean much to you, but they're very important words that we use every single day in English, and you probably don't even realize it. The complicated description of a direct object pronoun is that it receives the action of the verb in a sentence. To simplify, it tells us the answer to the question whom or what about the verb. The direct object can be a noun or a pronoun. So to give you an example, Luisa is buying the blouse. The noun, the direct object noun, is the blouse. The who or what. In this case, what is she buying? The blouse. But to make it a pronoun, we just use the word it. Luisa is buying what? It. Luisa compra la blusa. Luisa la compra. So to make it a noun to a pronoun in Spanish, we basically shorten the word dramatically, just like we did in English. Aquí hay los pronombres directos complementos. These replace the direct object noun. So again, instead of saying Luisa buys the blouse, we're saying Luisa buys it. So we wouldn't say Luisa buys the blouse it. Me, te, lo, or la. We're going to focus on lo and la, and in the plural form, los and las. The direct object noun always is placed after the conjugated verb. The direct object pronoun, however, is placed before the conjugated verb. Por ejemplo, quiero la camisa azul. I want the blue shirt. So in this case, the word quiero is my verb, and the word camisa follows it directly. However, when I get rid of the noun, I now place the direct object pronoun in front of my verb, la quiero. I'm still referring, however, to la camisa, so it needs to maintain its feminine singular form. Just like everything in Espanol, we always need to consider concordancia. Is it masculine or feminine, singular or plural? Ahora, cuando hay dos verbos, if there are two verbs in your sentence that are next to each other, we can rearrange the words in two different manners. So, when I have an infinitive verb that's followed by a conjugated verb, the direct object pronoun can be either placed before the conjugated verb or attached to the end of the infinitive verb. Por ejemplo, quiero comprar zapatos negros. So the zapatos negros, that's my object. What do I want to buy? The black shoes. So now I'm going to replace zapatos negros with my direct object pronoun. It's masculine and plural, so I'm going to use the word los. So I can either, because there are two verbs here, quiero and comprar, I can place the los in front of my conjugated verb, which is quiero, or at the end of my infinitive verb, which is comprar. So I can say, y los quiero comprar hoy, or y quiero comprarlos hoy. Ahora, haz la prueba en Google Form para terminar la tarea. Now make sure you complete the Google form found below this video in the Google community to finish your homework. Adios!